Adam's Train Vlogs. I'm here at Kembla Grange Racecourse for Kembla Grange Racecourse for vlog 60. Today there's going to be a steam train. I don't know what kind of steam train, but we'll find out when it comes here. Here we have an 8-car Oscar passing. I think it's approaching. H15. And Oscar H20. And it is approaching. Alright guys, we have a steam train coming. It is passing platform number 1, the only platform. $32.65. $32.65 the Hunter steam train. Next stop will be Depot, then Albion Park and Kayama. Anyway guys, thank you for all watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like and comment down below. See you next time.